Hello, good evening everyone. I am Pausana Justin, one of the OET aspirants in Edu Skills family. First of all, I would like to thank our respected mentor Father Salim Joseph for giving me this opportunity and also all our empowering army group members. Thank you all. So today I am going to deal with the question number 4. You hear a GB talk about diagnosing type 2 diabetes mellitus. Why should a fasting plasma glucose test to be booked in the morning?
Hello, I'll be covering the diagnosis of type 2 diabetes mellitus. So, there are 4 methods that we can use. The first is a fasting plasma glucose test. This is our preferred diagnostic test, as it's easier to carry out, often more convenient, and costs us less than the other 3 tests. It helps to try and book these appointments in the morning, as the patient has to refrain from eating for at least 8 hours before they can take the test. Normal fasting blood glucose will be between 70 and 100 milligrams per deciliter. A value of over 126 milligrams per deciliter indicates a diagnosis of diabetes. Bear in mind that this test should be carried out twice to confirm a positive result. The second method we can use is to measure the average glycemic load over the past 3 months.
So let's read the passage. I will be covering the diagnosis of type 2 diabetes mellitus. So there are 4 methods that we can use. The first is a fasting plasma glucose test. This is our preferred diagnostic test as it's easier to carry out, often more convenient, and cost is less than other tests. It helps to try and book this appointment in the morning as the patient has to re- refrain from eating for at least 8 hours before they can take the test. So let's move on to the options. Option A, the patient will need to attend an 8-hour appointment. Option B, the test will need to be carried out twice. Option C, to allow the patient to eat during the day. Here uh, they are telling that it is most convenient time in the morning because the patient can eat in the day before surgery. So that's the reason the plasma glucose test will be booked in the morning. So that's why the correct option is option C.